Hey guys, Nader here, and welcome back to another Minecraft video. Today, I'm reviewing LumiaCraft. It is a creative build server, and I I'll be showing you a few builds. And if you're a builder, I definitely recommend this server. To get started, all you do is post on the forums, as these signs say. I already have a few builds, so I'll show you mine and then a few others that I really find cool. Okay, so this is my member build. I I got these water supports that apparently are lagging me out. I got them from a build I made several years ago, but this build really wasn't that well designed, and I've come I can't get in the door, but I've come a long way since then. It was supposed to be a Minecraft training facility. Like, you got your infirmary over here with the bed, I guess, and a cabin maybe, and bathroom and all that. I got your armor and stuff in here. Not sure what I planned for that. But then up here, I made little zombies, and some of my friends told me that um, what's on this third floor creeped them out. Um, these skeleton guys here. I'll go ahead and go in if I can. I'm lagging for whatever reason. Um, the skeleton guys kind of freaked them out. I like them personally, but that's just me, probably because I built them. Anyway, then it follows the pattern of the. Wow, I'm lagging. Jeez. I screw it. The uh, the other floors or our two doors just says the same thing as the zombies. Okay, or novice. Plot me home 2. Okay, so this I made as just a little test plot to test some ideas and just a few things. I don't remember why I built this. I think I was glitching and I built that and just jumped in the hole and died. Anyway, I built a few lamp designs that I really liked. I ended up using I think it was this one that I ended up using for my build. Anyway, there's a few things that I built under here too, and yeah, I turned the floor to glass, I think, just for special effect. And I have night vision on, in case you're wondering. This was supposed to be a house design, just basic thing like a couch here, but it was just a bad house design originally, and my friend helped me out and redesigned it and really just changed it completely, make it so it wasn't mine, except for the house, that, or not the house, but the couch. The couch is mine. Um, um, and there's a tree that my friend taught me how to build. I'm really not the best builder, as you saw with the basically an iron box. And then down here, it doesn't actually let me go down to my death, which my night vision's running out. I built a little thing here, and then I had some fireworks, so we turned this into a firework area. So, plot me. Oh, oops, can't spell for anything. Okay, this is my other build. That was the building design I made. I put it in here. I decided this was a good one. I'll tell you, this little elevator is what it's meant to be. You go in here. You're supposed to go through the door, but you go in here, and there's tic-tac-toe on the ceiling. I guess it's supposed to relate. I don't remember. Anyway, but you push that, and well, it's already on. But you push that, and it turns it off and on both ways. So it's going to turn off for a second and turn back on. And then you push this one and turns it off. I'm going to turn it off because it lags me somewhat. Then up here, I'm on a platform. Sorry, clouds are on. I'm going to turn them off for a second. Yeah, details. clouds off. I need more frames this one anyway. I don't run Minecraft the best. But this is probably the most detailed thing I've ever made, sadly, was this bridge. And then I made a shop. And yeah, I made a shop, and it's a work in progress. Shop's almost done. Other shop design was on my test plot. But anyway, I'm just gonna take the fast way, put glass in my inventory. I better put night vision on too. Don't mind the heads in my inventory. They mean nothing. Anyway. Okay. Let's go down here fast. Yeah, okay. I think I can enter safely this way without spilling everything over here. Anyway. Probably should have open, but this is a little this is a little netherwort farm I made. And a little glass passageway here. And it's gonna flood, yep. Can't get through the doorway for anything. And now we're flooding. Of course, anyway. Go back up here. Built a few other things. Then I'll go and show some other builds. We got 5, I guess. Still a little hard to control, but you know. Dang it, go down under the waterfall. Another netherwort farm, and there's one under the waterfall too. Built a little crater area. I don't remember what the black box is for, but built a little crater area. Some lamps are all around here. You can't see it because of my night vision, but lamps really help. There. Lamps really help a lot in the end. Makes the build have a little unique taste here. But let's go on to some other builds here. Here is, I think it was Joy's Castle. Very, very cool castle. I'm impressed by it. It's 190 blocks tall. And there's the entrance. Okay. Then it's lagging me. We got fire. You can't use fire normally. You gotta, like with flint and steel, you have to do command I fire. And then lava, I don't believe works, but you have to have an admin place that, I believe. But Joy's Castle was definitely a cool castle here. I've actually never explored it. This is really cool. So, nice little castle here. Time to go back down. Put my walking speed to 5 here. Get out of here quickly. Okay. Wrong way. Where is it? Oh, past it. This is a jungle, actually. It's a really detailed jungle, but it's not complete, so I'll show you the one that was before it. This is the complete jungle. Put my speed down a little bit. It's annoying me. Lava at the bottom, very cool. This is made before the person who built this became an admin. I think she said admin now, but this is a cool thing with a cave system in here too. So It's a nice little area. I like it. This server does not support 1.8. Um, they're having some, I believe it was legal issues with Buck and Spigot over 1.8. So 1.8 is not yet supported. But you can still run 1.8. Like if your computer's like mine, you run better on 1.8. Then you can run any version of 1.8. But uh, you can also run 1.7.10 instead to make sure your items that are 1.8, you're not using items that are 1.8 like me. I mix that up all the time. I guess there's a little temple here. Not sure. I've never actually been in this little part here. This is cool. Didn't see this part. Amazing what you find when you're videotaping. Huh. Just branched off the cave system. Well, I think that's it, guys. I'm going to make another video on farmcraft after this. It's a very cool farming server, very really realistic actually. As far as Minecraft go, I think it's one of the best farming servers I've ever seen. I'm not sure realistic is the best word, but it's definitely one of the best farming servers I've ever seen. Yeah. So I'll do farmcraft next time. I have a Facebook that I made. I have a Facebook page. It's legit. I made it myself. You go search up a nader, and there's a Facebook page on me. It has the same picture as my profile picture. Yeah, same picture and everything. So, I definitely recommend this server. Definitely recommend farmcraft. The IP will be in the description. The link to my Facebook page will be in the description. And I want to say, if you enjoy my video, then definitely like and sub, and I'll bring you more Minecraft content. I prefer it if you don't. If you see like there's an overwhelming amount on my YouTube, and I can't check my YouTube as often as my Facebook. I having issues right now. I can't check my YouTube as often, or my Facebook either, but my Facebook definitely more often than my YouTube. So yeah, that's everything. And if you like this video, please like and sub, and I will